Welcome to the second section of this course, Sales Management. In the previous section, we saw how we can configure general setting and creating customer profile and opportunities. In this section, we will see how we can creating and sending quotation to the customer and building an online quotation, then customer price list, and finally generating sales report. Creating and sending a quotation to your customer. In this video, we will see how we can create a quotation, how we can send quotation by mail to our customer, how we can receive customer replies inside our system, and how we can convert this quotation to sales order. Let's go to system. First of all, you have to make sure that you installed Sales Management module. After that, you can go to Sales, then Quotation, then click on Create. You can choose our customer. Let's choose our customer Ritex. Then you can select the needed product. So I will select graphic card. I will change quantity and I will change the price. Save it. If we wanted to print our quotation to have a look, we can print it. I have my quotation now. Here is my quotation. You will find the logo of your company and the name of your company and all information of the customer. After that, you will find the quotation number and all the details. Now I will send our quotation to our customer. I will click on send by email. So Odoo will use existing email templates. I just click send to our customer. After that, I will act like the customer and I will send confirmation for the quotation. Now I open customer email. You will find the customer can receive the quotation like a PDF. Then he will reply to us. So I will send confirm it. Send. Let's check the system now. Now I will check the quotation. Let's open it. So you will find that we received our customer reply, confirmed. So I will convert the quotation to sales order. You will find our workflow. It's converted to be in the sales order stage.